Welcome back to TechWorld. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated smartphones of 2024, the Xiaomi Mix Flip. This is Xiaomi's bold entry into the flip-style foldable market, aiming to outshine Samsung's latest Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's break down why this phone is making waves and might just be the foldable phone you've been waiting for. Xiaomi has spared no expense in making the Mix Flip stand out. The phone features a 4.01-inch cover display that spans the entire back, putting Samsung's smaller 3.4-inch screen to shame. This external display isn't just for show, it includes a built-in earpiece, allowing you to handle calls and notifications without even unfolding the phone. On the inside, the Mix Flip offers a 6.9-inch AMOLED display with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, slightly larger than its Samsung rival. The result? A more immersive viewing experience that's perfect for everything from streaming to gaming. Under the hood, the Mix Flip is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a top-tier processor designed for speed and efficiency. It also packs a hefty 4,780 mAh battery, significantly larger than the Z Flip 6's 4,000 mAh. While we're still waiting for real-world battery tests, it's clear that Xiaomi is aiming for longer usage times without constant recharging. For cooling, the device uses a vapor chamber system, ensuring it stays cool even during heavy multitasking or gaming sessions. One of the most exciting features of the Xiaomi Mix Flip is its triple-camera setup: 50MP main sensor for sharp and vibrant photos, 60MP telephoto lens for detailed zoom shots, 32MP front-facing camera for stunning selfies. This combination positions the Mix Flip as a serious contender in mobile photography, potentially rivaling the best foldable camera phones on the market. The Mix Flip runs HyperOS layered over Android 14. While HyperOS has been praised for its versatility, it can also feel a bit cluttered for new users, with pre-installed apps that might not be necessary. However, Xiaomi has made improvements, and the software is expected to offer a smooth, customizable experience. Despite its impressive specs, the Mix Flip faces one significant hurdle: availability. Currently, it's only slated for a China-exclusive release, with no confirmed plans for a global launch. This exclusivity might make it hard for international users to get their hands on this innovative device. Absolutely. The Xiaomi Mix Flip brings a fresh perspective to the foldable phone market, offering a compelling mix of design, power, and camera prowess. If Xiaomi decides to release it globally, it could be a serious challenger to Samsung and Motorola in the foldable space.